Pacific Navigation and Voyaging, a Maritime Odyssey. The vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, the world's largest body of water, has been a crucible of human ingenuity and exploration for millennia. The islands scattered across its vast expanse have been home to diverse cultures, each with its own unique maritime traditions and navigational skills. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of Pacific navigation and voyaging, examining the techniques, challenges, and cultural significance of these extraordinary seafaring endeavors. The history of Pacific navigation is a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Long before the advent of modern technology, Polynesian voyagers were capable of traversing vast distances across the open ocean, reaching remote islands thousands of kilometers from their homelands. Their remarkable feats of navigation were made possible by a combination of sophisticated knowledge of celestial bodies, ocean currents, and wind patterns. One of the most crucial elements of Pacific navigation was the ability to observe and interpret the stars. Polynesian navigators developed intricate knowledge of the night sky, recognizing constellations and celestial bodies that could be used to determine direction and latitude. By carefully tracking the movements of stars, they were able to navigate with remarkable precision, even in the absence of visible landmarks. In addition to celestial navigation, Pacific voyagers also relied on a deep understanding of ocean currents and wind patterns. They developed sophisticated knowledge of the prevailing winds and ocean currents in the Pacific, allowing them to plan their voyages and adjust their course accordingly. By harnessing the power of these natural forces, they were able to sail efficiently and minimize the risks associated with long-distance voyages. The construction of seafaring vessels was another critical aspect of Pacific navigation. Polynesian cultures developed a variety of boat designs, each tailored to specific needs and conditions. The most iconic of these vessels was the outrigger canoe, a stable and efficient design that was well suited for long-distance voyages. Outrigger canoes were typically made from wood, with a main hull and one or more outriggers for stability. They were often equipped with sails and paddles, allowing them to navigate in a variety of conditions. Despite their remarkable navigational skills, Pacific voyagers faced numerous challenges in their seafaring adventures. Storms, currents, and the vastness of the ocean could pose serious threats to their safety. However, through careful planning, preparation, and a deep respect for the sea, they were able to overcome these obstacles and reach their destinations. The cultural significance of Pacific navigation and voyaging cannot be overstated. These maritime traditions were central to the identity and way of life of many Pacific Island cultures. They were passed down from generation to generation, shaping the values, beliefs, and social structures of these societies. The ability to navigate the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean was a source of pride and prestige, and it was often associated with leadership and authority. In conclusion, Pacific navigation and voyaging represent a remarkable chapter in the history of human exploration. The ingenuity and resilience of Pacific Islanders allowed them to conquer the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, reaching remote islands and establishing vibrant cultures. Their maritime traditions continue to inspire and fascinate us today, offering a glimpse into the remarkable achievements of our ancestors.